celebrating our silver homecoming this year, but we would like to take this chance to invite everyone on December 5. Please save the date. We have a standee over there with a QR code, so you can already register. And if you would like to give and help us this year, support some of the projects of the College of Business, we also have, once you get into that link, there's an opportunity for you to give. So, Dean.
Alright, first of all, good afternoon to everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Eric Capistrano. I'm the 16th Dean of the Verato School of Business. I've been with the batch 2004 po. Okay, I see some of my former students na rin dito. So, okay. Anyways po, first of all, maraming salamat po sa outgoing board. Trustees natin. It came in a time wherein nagka-transition po tayo. So, okay. And honestly, I am overwhelmed by the support that the Alumni Association has offered to the college. Nahihiya nga po ako sa totoo lang. Kasi po, sa dami lang po din ng constraints na alam naman po natin, being government, ang UP, hindi ko po matatanggap lahat ng offer. So, okay. Pero po, rest assured, nakapila po siya. So, admittedly, the college has not been very visible to its alumni for the last how many years, but I intend to change that during my term. So kaya po mag-a-attend po ako ng mga events na to representing the college for this one. One of the first steps din po with this increased visibility